Well, here's the damage from the auto accident. She bent that spring on this side, and she literally broke it on this side. So, there's the new one for the passenger side. Only had I undercoated everything, so it's drying. I undercoated my truck, so it's all drying. I got the leaf spring. This is the side that busted. We got that all in. That's all looking good. We got everything. Everything has been undercoated. It won't rust again for another fucking 20 years, 30 years. Everything has been undercoated. Everything. Excuse the mess, but it's a work in progress. We have to put that spring on after everything dries. A little bit of touch up here and there. I got new absorbers coming. That's why they didn't get painted, because I got brand new them coming in. But everything's been undercoated and primed. We should have it running tomorrow. If all goes well, she'll be mobile tomorrow. I'm having a new muffler system put in, new shock absorbers put in. I'm doing new sway bars and idle arms and all that. That's coming in a couple days. So all that will be done. We almost got her. She's almost rebuilt. She almost put back together.